Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of wire mesh basket in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. From here, go to 2D Sketch and select the XY plane. Go to Line Command. Here, make one line here and one here. Escape. Now go to Dimension. Give this height as 75 mm. Okay. And this horizontal dimension as 100 mm. Now go to line command once again. Make one more line at this base. Escape. Go to dimension. Give this dimension as 50 mm. Escape. Now we will make the arc profile. So from here, take a 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point. Okay. Go to dimension. Give this arc a dimension of 75 radius and escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now select this line and this. Make them construction. Only the arc profile will be in solid. Now go to circle command. From here, make a circle of dia 2 mm and similarly we will construct 11 circles around this arc. This second circle, this will be third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th and last 11th at this bottom. Okay. Now go to equal constraint. Select this first circle with diameter 2 and press Ctrl and select all the circles one by one. So all of them will have the diameter of 2 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now go to dimension. The center to center distance between two circles will be 7.5 mm. And same relation will be kept in all 7.5 mm center to center distance. Here also 7.5. This 7.5 and this has 7.5. Here also 7.5 and this has 7.5. This also 7.5 and this last one also 7.5. So the remaining distance here will be also 7.5 by default. Okay, escape. Now select this line, make it construction now and finish sketch. Go to revolve command. Select this complete profiles. Okay, all profiles are selected. Go to axis and select this axis for rotation. So it will make the outer profiles. Okay. Or first, we will make a new plane here. So go to plane, select this point and select this arc. So a new plane will be generated. Okay. Now go to revolve, select all the profiles, go to axis and select the center axis and OK. Now we will make this side rib. For side rib, go to 2D sketch, go to origin and select XY plane once again. Here we will activate the sketch 1 first, finish, go to revolve, select sketch 1, activate it. Okay. Now double click sketch 2. We'll take this geometry. So go to project geometry, select this arc and finish. Now select sketch 1. We will turn off the visibility. So only sketch 2 will be left. The project geometry. Double click sketch 2. But we want this geometry in the solid lines. So go to arc command. Select this green point, the top point, and here also this green point, the top point, and the third point here will be the center for the arc profile. Okay, escape. This is also fully constrained sketch, you can see here. Now finish sketch. Now select this plane command, plane, go to create sketch, shift and rotate the profile, go to project geometry and project this point. Okay, and escape. To make it more visible, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the point. Go to sketch, take the circle command, and on this point make a circle of dia 2 mm and escape. Okay. Now go to 3D model, sweep command, and here this profile will be selected, and for path this curve will be selected. Go to front view, so this will be the profile, and press OK. Go to home. Now change the view, go to view, change the visual style to shaded. Okay. Now you can see a rib profile over here, side rib. Now we'll pattern this all around. So go to 3D model, go to circular pattern. From here we'll take circular pattern. Select sweep 1, go to rotation axis, and here we will select the y axis. It will count, ask you the number of count. So here we'll give a count of 48. Okay, and press OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now as this is open from bottom, so to close the profile, we'll click on the exit plane, go to create sketch. This will be the base. Go to circle command. From the center point, make a circle of dia 100 mm. Okay, rotate the view, go to 3D model, extrude. So this profile will be selected, and here we will take a dimension of 2 mm and we will take symmetric. Okay, so half 1 mm will be up and half 1 mm will be at down, and okay. So this will be close profile. Now we will change the view or the appearance. From here we will change the appearance to light red. Okay, so we don't want this plane also. Select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D sketch or a 3D model of wire mesh basket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.